Welcome to our kitchen or our barbecue. I'm your host, Chef Marco, and this is the Galbani cooking series. I'm going to put a fun twist on a grilled white pizza. So we're going to get started with a par-baked pizza crust. You can get them in your local grocery store, or you can make your own. It's very simple. You take a pizza dough, you put it on a pizza tray, bake it off at 500 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, and it comes out with this beautiful golden crust. We're going to show you a couple of cheeses to add to this. We're going to start with some extra virgin olive oil. Don't be afraid to get your hands right in there. Spread that around the crust. We're going to add some fresh steamed spinach. If you don't have that, you want to use frozen. The only tip I can give you on that is make sure you get all the water out, because you don't want to have it waterlogged and drip and make your crust soggy. So we're going to add that. We're going to chop some white onion. We're going to add some white onion for texture and flavor. And I love when I use cherry tomatoes. I cut them in little slices. It looks so cool and elegant. We're using cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes, whatever you have available. We're going to layer this around. Because of our the size of our crust, this looks like it fits. Very proportioned. There we go. I'm going to add Galbani Parmesan cheese. Sprinkle a nice hefty amount right on top. We're going to use the Galbani whole milk ricotta cheese. Spread that around your crust. And then we're going to take our traditional mozzarella. You can do one of two things. You can grate it with a box grater. It shreds so nice. It melts so evenly. This is the cheese that's put through a brine bath, and these are the ones you find in lasagnas, parmesans, and pizzas. We're going to finish it with a little crushed red pepper because we got to kick it up just a little bit, and a little black pepper, some fresh ground. Now that our pizza is made, we're going to throw it into the oven or leave it on our grill with the lid closed. So I love the taste of a little char grill on my pizza crust, so I got a grill pan heated up. Because I'm in the house, if I'm able to go outside at this point, I would absolutely do it on my char grill. But I took that pizza out, let that beautiful cheese melt. We're just going to let it sit on our grill. Here's where I would close the grill lid just so that the cheese melts a little bit more. We're just scoring the bottom of that crust with some nice grill marks and give it that char grill flavor. Now that we got our great grill flavor, throw a little fresh basil on there. There's a beautiful pizza you made in your backyard. Very easy. So I showed you the grilled pizza. We used two of Galbani's most popular cheeses, ricotta and mozzarella. We're going to show you a couple of dishes using our fresh mozzarella. This is packaged right after it's made. So you want to open it up and you want to use it within 3 days. If not, just wrap it up, put it in the refrigerator, keep it nice and cold, or put it in a bath with a little salt water, and it'll stay fresh for a few days. So we're going to do a quick Caprese salad, non-traditional, and then we're going to do traditional. So we're going to start out with a little olive oil, some white vinegar. This is going to be our dressing. We're going to get started. And one of my favorite things about summer is fresh mint. And we're just going to give that a nice rough tear, and you can smell how strong and fresh it really is. Put that into our dressing. Going to add a little salt, a little pepper. We're going to add some roasted beets. And because it isn't peach season, I'm using canned peaches, but when it is peach season, definitely use the fresh peaches. Okay. I'm going to add some quartered cherry tomatoes for color. Give that a stir. Now, I love putting fresh mozzarella in my salads, and the reason being, I put it right into the dressing, and it absorbs all the dressing. So each bite you get with the fresh mozzarella, you get a taste of this beautiful summer salad. This is great for a picnic. It's great for a family. Make it in advance. Let it marinate overnight. It's absolutely beautiful. Just add your touch to it. So now you've seen the super easy, super elegant peach and beet caprese. I know you're familiar with the traditional caprese salad. I'm going to show you one other thing with it. I'm going to take some beautiful tomatoes and some gorgeous fresh mozzarella. Layer this with some fresh basil. But now that the grill is going and you've got a burger happening, we're going to take that burger off the grill. We're going to dress our caprese. A little olive oil, a little balsamic glaze. Anticipation. There we go. Little balsamic glaze. And this is going to make one heck of a caprese burger.